Hello crafters, welcome to Create at Home with G. In today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a kind of a whimsical card with you today. I'm going to be using glasses, spectacles and some eyes from a variety of May stamp sets. So I'm using the spectacles from G's Teddy Bear Lane, some of the eyes from Happy Tree, the spectacles from Spud You Like, I think that's what it's called. No, it's called Taters. And I'm going to be using the glasses here from Mayisms, and I'm also going to be using some of the metal spectacle embellishments. Now I've spray painted one white to use on this card, and on another card that I've done I've spray painted it black. So just to show you how nicely they take the spray paint, so you don't have to use them even though they are silver. You could also colour them up. And I'm going to see. Oh, no, I didn't. And I'm going to be using the Enjoy Your Day sentiment from the 3-piece sentiment stamp set available from my store. You're going to be needing some embossing powder, a dust static free buddy and your embossing pad. So my card base is 5x5. Now I've done 3 inserts. One is 5x5, the other one is an 1/8 an inch smaller with the white, and then I've done a black one even smaller than that. So I'm going to stamp on this black one, and we're going to do some heat embossing. So I just need to take the static off this black piece of paper, and this is just cardstock from my stash, papers from my stash. Let's get rid of this dust. Okay, and I'm going to be using the Wow metallic silver sparkle embossing powder. Now I'm going to get some scrap piece of paper because I'm going to be stamping on and off the paper here, and I'm just going to be in numerous places stamping all these variations of eyes and glasses, and I'm going to be doing it off and on page. So basically creating my own designer paper really. Now it's time to cover this piece of paper with my embossing powder. Now like I said, it's the Wow silver sparkle, and I've got a few lines, so I'm just going to use a paintbrush and get rid of those lines because I don't want those. That must have been from my stamp block. I must have pressed in too far. Just making sure that this is all covered. Okay, now I need to put this back into my pot. Okay, now it's time to heat this. It is a bit patchy in places, crafters, and I'm not particularly happy with that, so I'm going to turn over and I'm going to do it again, but I won't let you, make you watch this whole process again because you've seen it. Still not happy with the coverage, crafters. Maybe this is too thick. Maybe I need a fine embossing powder because obviously the glasses are quite the frames of glasses are quite thick, so the lines aren't, I don't know, I think it's maybe my glitter powder is too thick because how intricate the glasses are, but as you can see again it didn't really come up very well, and I've used a static pouch, so there's no reason for it to be, so what I think I'll do, crafters, I think I'm going to stamp on here. I'm going to stamp on this white insert because as you can see it takes the ink really well, but I just think that because the images are quite thin, the embossing powder that I was using could possibly just be too thick. Let me know in the comments what you think the reason could be. It could be something that I haven't thought of. It could be something that you can see that I'm doing wrong. So please let me know your opinions below. Okay, so that's all the glasses, the spectacles and the eyes that I wanted to use. Okay, so going to, now the white blends in too much now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a bit of black cardstock. So let's do that 5 inches by an inch. By 1 inch, and I think I might use some brads to hold this one down. With the first one I used some twine, but with this one I think I might use some brads. So I've got some brads here. I'm just going to find some white head brads. Okay, I think bring over my card base, so that's going to go on there like that. Have that going across. I think I'm going to have these to one side. Yep. So I'm just going to put these to one side and using a brad to attach them to the cardstock. Okay, let's attach our card base. I really don't mind leaving, when I create something and it doesn't go quite well, I always like to leave those things in, because it's, one, it gives us something to talk about, because obviously I'm not a professional, I am just a crafter, and two, I may learn something new, and that's why I'm here. I'm here to help others learn, and I'm here to learn myself. Right, so let's place this on my card. Slightly too long. Okay, let's attach this to our card base. And on the inside I'm going to use the sentiment "Enjoy your day" for the 3-piece set available in my store. And I'm going to use the memento. And simply enjoy your day. There we go, nice whimsical. Here's one that I did using the black spray painted glasses, and I attached them using some twine. So it just goes to show that even though they come silver, you can spray paint them. Just a nice whimsical card for today. Thank you very much for joining me, crafters, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.